Hello, my name is David Solelis, and I'm the Campus Public Health Response Team Director and MPH Program and Practice Director for UCI. This is your UCI Minute for January 3rd, 2023. Question: what is the University of California Vaccination Program's policy requirement for receiving the COVID-19 bivalent booster, and what are my options for complying with this policy requirement? Per the University of California Vaccination Program's policy, all UCI students, faculty, and staff, as a condition of physical presence at a university location or in a university program, must receive a COVID-19 bivalent booster and attest to having received the booster or decline receiving the booster. UCI has set a deadline of January 6, 2023 to comply with this policy requirement. The bivalent booster attestation or declination is required even if you have previously had and submitted documentation of a booster dose. Because the bivalent booster was not available prior to September 1, 2022, documentation submitted for a booster dose before that date does not qualify for the bivalent booster, and you will still need to attest or decline the bivalent booster dose by January 6, 2023. To comply with this requirement, students can log into the Student Health Center patient portal, and employees can log into the campus occupational health portal to attest to having received the bivalent booster or to decline the booster. You do not need to upload your vaccine record, but will be asked to enter the date and manufacturer of the bivalent booster dose you received. Those who decline the booster may be required to comply with additional non-pharmaceutical interventions as determined by UCI. If you recently had COVID-19 and would like to defer your COVID-19 bivalent booster dose for 90 days or more after your diagnosis, you may do so by following the steps in the portal to decline the booster. Then, once you have received the booster, you may log back into the portal and follow the instructions to attest to having received the booster. Requirements for UCI health employees are slightly different and can be found online in the Occupational Health portal on the UCI Health intranet. Staying up to date with COVID-19 vaccines, including all recommended booster doses, is one of the most important steps you can take to protect yourself and the health of those around you. As always, thank you for everything you do to help reduce the risk of COVID-19 here at UCI and in our community. If you have questions or need assistance with your attestation or declination, you can reach out to Contact Tracing and Vaccine Navigation Services at contacttracing@uci.edu or calling 949-824-2300. For the most current information on COVID-19, please visit UCI Forward.